Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a factory has a total of three manufacturing units M1, M2, M3. Okay, so we have a factory and we have three units M1, M2, M3, which produces bulb independent of each other. So, they are producing some bulbs. Okay, the unit M1, M2, M3 produces the bulbs in the proportion 2 is to 2 is to 1 respectively. So suppose that factory is producing 100 bulbs. Suppose. So it has three units. We have M1, we have M2 and we have M3. So out of these 100 bulbs, some of them will be produced by M1, then M2, then M3. So M2 is producing 2. So can I say that of all total, M1 is producing 2 by 5, correct? So 2 by 5 of 100. So it is 40 bulbs is being produced by M1. Okay. So M1 is producing 40 bulbs. Now M2 is also having same 2 by 5. So again it is 40 bulbs. Okay, and 1, so 40 40 and then we will be having 20. So M3 is producing 20 bulbs. I hope till this part you guys are okay. It is known that 20% of the bulbs produced in the factory is are defective. So altogether 20% of the bulbs are defective. So can I say that the total number of defective bulbs, number of defective bulbs is 20, because we have considered only 100 bulbs. So 20% will become 20 bulbs. Okay. Now, and it is all total. They haven't mentioned it is from this, it is from that. Okay. Now look at this. If it is known that of all the bulbs produced by M1, 15% are defective. So it is given that the number of bulbs produced by M1, out of which 15% will become defective. Okay, so this means what? 15 by 100 into 40. You can simplify things. 5 threes are 5 twos and this. So 6 bulbs from all together is defective. Okay, so we have 6 defective bulbs from M1. So 6 defective means what? 34 will be good one, and all together you know that there are 20 bulbs. So those 20, out of those 20 bulbs, 6 is being manufactured by M1. So 14 bulbs, 14 defective bulbs will be because of M1, M2 and M3. Is that okay? Now look at this. Suppose that if a randomly chosen bulb produced in the factory is found to be defective, the probability that it was produced by M2 is 2 by 5. Okay, so they have already given you probability that suppose you are hand picking a bulb and it is defective and it belongs to M2, and this probability is 2 by 5. So you have to tell me the probability if the bulb is chosen randomly from the bulb produced by M3 Okay, so from M3 you have to choose another ball and you have to find out the probability that it is defective. Okay, suppose that there are X bulbs which is defective and it is being produced by M3. So we have to find out the value of X and then X by 20 will be the answer. Okay, the probability of defective bulb will become what? X by 20. Now, so good bulb will become 20 minus X. This is good. Now, you know that all together there are 20 bulbs. 6 is being contributed by M1, X is being contributed by M3. So remaining belongs to M2, that is 14 minus X. So this is defective. Okay, now good one will become what? 40 minus this. So it is 40 minus 14 plus X, good one. Okay, now look at this. They have given you probability that the defective bulb is from M2. Okay, now look at this, how we will handle this situation. Suppose that if the randomly chosen bulb is produced in a factory is found to be defective, the probability that it is produced by M2. Okay, now look at this. So here you have to apply Bayes theorem. Okay, now look at this. Required probability. Can I say that there is a chance, you know, that you have to find out first you have to pick M1 and then defective plus M2 then defective or M3 then defective, and you have to find out the probability that M2 then defective. Now you know that this all together we have 20 defective bulbs. So can I say that the probability of having 20 defective bulbs is 20 out of 100? Either you will go this way or you can go with M1. So from M1 what you will do? You will handpick a bulb and then means 40 by 100. You know that the total number of bulbs is 100 and out of which 40 is being produced by M1. So 40 by 100 and then you have to go with defective. So it is 6 by 40. Okay, and then so on. Otherwise you can go with directly this. Now focus on M2. So M2 is producing 40 bulbs. So 40 out of 100 and then it is found to be defective. So what is the probability of having defective bulbs? So it is 14 minus X by 40. Okay, so now you can simplify things. So this thing gone, this thing gone, and it is 14 minus X by 20. And what they have given you probability as 2 by 5. So altogether it is 2 by 5. Now again you can simplify things. Okay, so it is 8, 14 minus X. So X will become what? 14 minus 8 means 6. So the value of X is 6. Now what we have to do? If a bulb is chosen randomly from the bulb produced by M3, so from M3 you have to choose, and you know that altogether M3 is producing 20 bulbs. So out of 20 bulbs you have to choose a ball and you have to find out the probability of having defective bulbs. So can I say that the required probability is X by 20, and you know the value of X is what? 6. So 6 by 20, so it is 3 by 10. So the required answer is 3 by 10. I hope The idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.